It was a quiet morning, but Sarah's day was just beginning.
Oh no, I'm already late. So much to do and so little time. Laundry, dishes, work emails.
Mom, are you okay?
I'm fine, sweetheart. Just busy.
Sarah, you look stressed. Let me help you with breakfast.
No, I can do it.
Mom, I can help you.
You want to help?
Yes, let me help you with the dishes.
Oliver wanted to help his mom.
Sarah, take a deep breath.
Thank you. Maybe just 5 minutes.
Mom, I can fold the laundry.
I'll clean the kitchen.
I'm lucky to have you. Where are my keys?
Sarah started to worry.
I can't find them.
Don't worry, Mom.
We'll help you find them.
Let me check the sofa. Not here.
Not here either.
I feel so tired.
It's okay, Mom.
Maybe the keys are here.
Then something shiny appeared.
Mom, I found them!
Oh, thank goodness. Sometimes I forget to ask for help.
You don't have to do everything alone.
We are a family.
I still have work to finish.
Mom, can I help you with something?
Maybe you can organize the books.
Small jobs can help in big ways.
I'll put them in order.
Thank you, Oliver.
Time was moving on.
Oh no, we need groceries.
I can help you make the list.
Thank you, Oliver.
Milk, bread, apples.
You're very helpful.
I'll drive us to the store.
Did I forget anything?
The family stepped outside.
After you, Mom.
Thank you, gentlemen.
How are you feeling now?
Much better. Can you hold the list?
I won't forget anything.
Team effort.
I don't feel alone anymore.
The work was getting done.
Thank you for helping today.
After a long day, the family finally arrived home, feeling tired in their bodies but happy in their hearts.
Being home feels really nice after such a busy day.
Welcome home, Mom. You can relax now.
I'll take these bags inside. You don't need to carry anything.
Even at home, there were still a few things left to do.
We should put all the groceries away before dinner.
Mom, let me help you with that. I really want to.
Thank you, Oliver. That means a lot to me.
I'll organize the fridge so everything is easy to find.
The apples go here. I'll put them neatly.
I don't feel rushed anymore. This feels nice.
You did a lot today. You worked very hard.
Mom works very hard every day.
Hearing that from you really means a lot to me.
The afternoon slowly turned into evening.
Who would like to help me make dinner tonight?
Me! I really want to help.
Let's cook together as a family.
Cooking became a shared family moment.
I can wash the vegetables carefully.
Thank you for helping. I really appreciate it.
Dinner is starting to smell really good.
The kitchen felt warm, safe, and full of love.
It tastes great. We did a good job.
I'm glad you like it.
I'll set the table while you finish cooking.
Napkins go right here.
I feel so thankful for both of you.
Dinner was finally ready.
I learned something important today.
What did you learn, Mom?
I learned that it's okay to ask for help.
And it's always good to offer help.
Helping each other changed everything. One small act at a time, a busy day became a beautiful one.